In this video, I'm going to be going over question number 7, which was to wrap a region around the y-axis. And so I selected region number 2 to be the region I used, and I'll show you that region right now in this problem. And as you can see, region 2 right here, which is bounded by sine 2x plus 3 and 1/2 e to the x. And so this was a problem that I struggled a little bit with, and it took me an extra day to figure out how I wanted to approach the problem. But what it came down to was for the first function, the sine 2x plus 3, I had to do sort of a special setup where I was multiplying it by like the distance away from that y-axis, and I ended up getting the area of 16.154 for that region. And if you see on region 2, when we're wrapping around the y-axis, that part of the top function is going to be this sine function right here, but at the same time, another part of it's going to be this defined by this 1/2 e to the x function. And so what I basically did is I sliced it into two parts and wrapped around that part, and then I wrapped around that part and added them together, that's what I was struggling with on my strategy of solving that problem. And so first I defined that sine area and multiplied it by 2 pi, multiplied the integral by 2 pi. And then for the next area, what I did was I had to calculate this integration right here with my TI-89 because I was having trouble doing it on my own. But after I saw what the answer was, I think I could probably use the tabular method to go back and solve it, which I may do before I actually turn this full project in. But so for that region right there, which is the lower region of that region number 2, I got 9.706 as my area, or as my volume, and then I added it to that previous area up here, the 16.154, and I found my answer to be 25.86 units cubed.